A potato flew around my room before you came.
Hello again. This is day, let's see, day 5. So, 2 more days left. So this one, I mean, you can do, because the girl in the original picture, they don't list her name for some reason, but the girl in the original photo, she has white face paint all over her face and her neck, kind of give that undead look. I'm not going to do that because number 1, don't have face paint, and number 2, because I'm lazy AF. So we're just gonna do like a simple, quick, easy kind of look that she's going for right here. This is for my people who literally wake up Halloween day and are like, oh shit, I don't know what I'm gonna wear, I don't know what character I'm gonna be, I don't know if I'm going to a party, I don't know if I'm going out drinking, I don't know if it's socially acceptable for me to go out trick-or-treating anymore. It's for those kind of people, which surprisingly will not be me this year, because guess who has to work? I'll give you a hint. It's probably not you. Same shtick as in all the other videos that I've posted over the last 4 days. You use the NYX full coverage concealer or whatever concealer or primer you want. Prime your eyes. And then my base is already on, and same with my eyebrows. So, hey, this is totally how I left it. It's okay. I filmed 30 minutes of this video, literally got to the end, 30 minutes of my life wasted that I will literally never ever get back, for it to turn out like this. Yeah, no. So I'm gonna make this short, sweet, and quick because I'm not trying to make a whole 30-minute video again. Anyways, taking black truffle and patting that onto my lid and up into the crease and out, pretty much to meet my eyebrow. Then I'm going to take a blending brush with this cool tone brown right here and blend the edges out. Now I'm going to go in with a red lipstick, go underneath my eyes, and going back into black truffle, just putting that a little lower. I'm gonna use that angled liner brush and that same red lipstick, and I'm gonna create like it's dripping out of my eye, basically, like blood is dripping out of my eye. Just little lines. You can also create like teardrop shapes at the bottom if you want. And then doing the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go back in with that red. And I'm gonna blend it a little bit further down. So now I'm going to black out my lips, and now I'm just going to blood coming out of my mouth. I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of black in my cheekbones, like where you would contour. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of black to the center of my forehead. So this is the finished makeup look. You can probably do it in like 20 minutes or less, especially if you're not talking to a fucking camera. But that's all that I had for this video. If you liked it, then good for you. If you didn't like it, understandable. But I will see you in my next one, aka for day 6 of Spooptober, I guess. I don't fucking know.